Good morning. Wanted to tell you a little bit about what's going on with Bill TV Macon. I'm kind of at a stalemate. Got really no mojo to make videos these days. Now, I have been working on the radio stuff, which is sort of a gift to my family. I wanted them to hear my story in my own words, and it's gotten wonderful response. I'm very appreciative for those that have watched and have taken the time to comment. But generally, the channel is dying. The subs are going away. People don't watch like they used to. It used to be I'd put up a video and it'd get over 1,000 views and nothing. And now, it's, I'm lucky to get a couple of hundred, which is a lot of people. Believe me, I'm very grateful for everyone. But I'm just kind of thinking, I think maybe this has run its course with me. So I wrote a friend of mine that I've known on YouTube for years that does not live in this country or this hemisphere. And I asked, I said, you've been through this. You played the game. I got no desire. Should I just take the videos off the channel and just go away? And he wrote back and he said, I've deleted all my channels, all my videos off my channel so many times you wouldn't believe it, but I always come back for some reason. It just draws you back. He said, yeah, leave stuff up there. And when you decide that you want to make another video, it'll all be there. And I guess that's good advice. So that's what I'm going to do. It takes a while to make a video. At least it does for me, because I have to set up the camera. I'm kind of technically challenged because I don't have a lot of the nice equipment that other people have, but so I got the lights right, you got to get the sound right, and you got to frame the shot, figure out what you're going to say, and then by the time you do it, that's maybe an hour, hour and a half, and then maybe at least an hour or an hour and a half to edit. So it takes time, and then uploading, and so the commitment of a video. And I started thinking about how many videos, and there are over 400 videos on Bill TV Macon. Which means if I've been here since 2008, that's like 2 videos a week if you spread it out, if you amateurize it. So I've put some content up there for people to watch, and I'm very grateful for those that do, but right now the spirit just isn't hitting. And so I'm going to take my friend's advice and just kind of leave it for a while. Don't know what will come next. I really had hoped this weekend, since it is a holiday weekend, to get another radio video done. I'd like to have one more, because now we're going to start stepping into the radio station, and I'll tell you about the first time that I knocked on the door and the kind of reception that I got at WMAZ AM. So good things, fun things are to come with that. But I do understand it's one of those things that you really have to watch because you want to watch it, and it's not anything that draws a big crowd. I'm extremely grateful for those that have included me in their lives all of these years and for the great time that we've had. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.